Alright, greetings. Here we go. We're going to do a couple questions. We've pretty much covered foreign currency translations and remeasurement, how they get used. Most of the facts we've done now at this point between class and the video. So let's try ourselves out here. I'll give you a minute, take a look at the question, and I'll come back at you. Alright, let's see what you got here. The answer here should be not B, but C. Because that is what we've been learning, that when the foreign operation is relatively self-contained and integrated within one country, the functional currency will be the local currency of that country. Okay, let's try another one. And I'll be back in about 30 to 40 seconds. Okay, when we talked about translation or remeasurement, and this word may not be exact, it might just mean terms of whether you use translation method or remeasurement method, but in either case we learned that it is C, the historical exchange rate for items in the equity section other than retained earnings. So it would be common stock, paid in capital, things like that. Alright, let's try one more. This is more of a challenge coming up. So I'll sort of pause for about 30 or 40 seconds and come back, see what you think. Take a good guess. If you want some more time, stop the flow of the recording and hit the button and come back. Alright, so what this question, this is a CPA review question, and it's a tough one. The way it's written is tough, but it's referring to the concept that when cash flows of the subsidiary foreign corporation are affecting the parent, that's an indication that and when those cash flows are affecting the parent because of the exchange rate, the foreign currency exchange rate from time to time, that's a reflection that the functional currency is the US dollar, the parent's currency. Let me say that again. If the cash flows related to the foreign subsidiary are affecting the parent because of the changes in exchange rates, that's the key language here. Or in C, the cash flows related to the foreign directly impact the parent company's cash flow on a current basis. That's an indication. This is both B and C are an indication that the functional currency is the parent's, hence US dollar. That it's not acting on its own, it's not self-sufficient, self-contained. So it's really the same question that we had, the first question in this video, where this becomes the answer, it's just written in a different way. And makes it harder to figure out what's going on, but that's the answer. All right, we'll stop here and we'll pick up a new topic when we return.